Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are fitting back the front door panel on the NX450. Alright, let's do this. Before when we put back this white plastic cover, let's try check again. Everything is back and working. All right, okay, and then let's find out all cable, what is maybe hidden cable behind the cable. Okay, let's start. What we need, this way. Yes, so this come up here. Yes, this is come up here. So first we plug in this green and then just need to press in the plastic behind. Okay, and just press in back. Okay, so check first every clips on the correct position. Just press in one. Okay, all right, good. And then we need to put back this white locks, plastic locks. Okay, good. All right, we just plug back to the top. This was behind. Yes, plug back behind, plugging back that, and this is the door handle. Good. Okay, we just putting back this wire loom here. This. Okay, and then we need to screwing back this panel, what is holding to the okay, where is my, let's put back with a 10mm ratchet. Okay, so we need to plugging back 1, 2, 3, 4 cable, and the fifth is the window switch and the handle cable. This rubber need to be putting back first the correct position. Good. Okay, so we just plug in the green, this green cable to plug in, joining in this hole and then plug in. Okay, plugging back the memory switch, the seat memory switch, plugging back the electric door handle, and the wire loom for the ambient light need to moving out for this hole. Before when we start to hang on, we just pulling out this Windows other chip. Yes, and then just press in manually. This one need to join in. Okay, and then pressing down. All right, is good. Good. do this. And don't forget the bottom light cable, just need unhook on the little hole. Let's start with the handle. Okay. 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 All right. Okay. And then we need to find the ambient light wire loom. All right. And position the door card, the correct one. Okay. And just holding one, just pressing the top. Okay. And we need to find the bottom cable. What is the door lights? Good. If this cable is out, after we can press in all the way. Good. And then we putting back the hidden screws, what is holding this door panel. Before you screwed in everything, let's press the button, and you're hearing the noise is working. If working fine, then tight the screws. Okay. And okay. We put back this. Okay. And then you put back this door lights first. Hard to see which way. All right, the door is lighting, is good. Press in. Good. So all three screws is back, and then plugging back the ambient lights. Okay, and don't forget this little plastic joining in, and that's it. And just press in gently. Okay, and finally we're putting back this window switch. First put back the cable. Okay, and don't forget, just slide in. Good. Okay, and we are done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.